So one of the things that students often ask is exactly the one that you see here at the top of the page. They are working with a full past paper from the previous syllabus, so from somewhere between 2016 and 2024, but they are not sure which questions are still relevant. To help with this problem, here at Paper Planes, we started going through these past papers and began linking each question to the current syllabus. So imagine that you're using the November 2024 higher level paper 1 and you want to know which questions to solve. You can simply find the given paper here in a table, link to this page is in the description below, and when you click on the link you get a downloadable PDF file. For each question on the paper you can see 1 or 2 subtopics from the new syllabus that are the most relevant. So for instance, if you're revising topics 8.1, 8.2 and 8.3, you know that you can solve questions 3 to 7, and scrolling down, also question 18. You can also see here that some questions are not relevant anymore for the new syllabus. Going back to the table, for now we've done the sorting for all 2024 exams, but if you find these PDFs helpful, just let me know in a comment and I'll be happy to create more for earlier years. I'd also love to hear what other IB Physics videos might be helpful for you.